All right, guys, we've got the Meonum 6-pack of wire portable battery operated wire lights. Now, it's a 6-pack. There's 6 different colors. We've got blue, we've got red, we've got white, pink, purple, and orange or mango, something like that. So, cool thing is you've got 6 different colors, and these are battery packs. I'm going to show you how these work today. But basically what you have is you have 6 different 16-foot string lights and 6 different battery packs. In these battery packs, you put 2 AA batteries. What I'm going to do is I'm going to install a pack right now and show you how you hook it up to the lights. And actually what I'm going to do now is, first of all, it's in the batteries in there. Now we'll just hook up the lights. They hook up just like this. All right, right? So they just connect. Super easy to connect. Now I'm going to turn the light off, and you're going to get a vibe on this, dude. Because straight up, this is all about vibes. In fact, let's even take this off. Because what these lights are great for is like Burning Man, raves, birthday parties, like parties in the dark, all those kinds of vibes. So imagine stringing these around yourself in a rave or like a super dark area. You've got all these vibes, and you can just keep this in your pocket, but it even has a clip right there to like keep it on your belt loop or something like that. So it's going to be super easy. I mean, I could even clip it here on my hat. Like, you can get weird with it. But it basically gives you the ability to wear these lights all over the place. And all that's required is more AA batteries to keep the party going. So you can see how cool they are. And what I'll show you is there's 3 different modes. And all you do is you press the power button to get these on like this. This is mode 1. It's just a straight mode. Then you have mode 2. It's a flash mode. And mode 3 is a little bit slower flash mode. So that's how these work. I think these are super cool. Another thing I'll show you is if during the party you just decide you want to swap lights, all you do is just take one off the battery pack and put it on the new one you want to use. And if you want to switch it, whatever. Personally, I think these are really fun, and lights are a vibe. You're here looking for a vibe. Get these for a vibe. I think the value is amazing when I look at the number on the screen there. Get them.